Hello everyone, welcome to SciEase. In the last video, we discussed about the friendly microorganisms, and here in this video, I will tell you about the harmful microorganism. Microorganisms are harmful to man, animals, and plants. The microorganisms which cause diseases, they cause various diseases in animals, plants, and animals. And these disease-causing microorganisms, they are known as pathogens. So, what are pathogens? Pathogens are the disease-causing microorganisms. Pathogens enter the body through air we breathe, water we drink, and food we eat. So, the microorganisms which enter through air, water, or by physical contact with the infected person, they cause certain diseases which are known as communicable diseases. They are known as communicable diseases. So, the microbial diseases which spread from infected person to the healthy person. Whenever the infected person sneezes and the droplets, they spread in the air. So, when you are in physical contact with that person, through air, they will be transferred to the healthy person. And the healthy person, that will be infected. Nowadays, we know that due to this pandemic, Corona, COVID-19, the whole world is suffering. In this disease also, the droplets from the unhealthy person, they are transmitted to the healthy one, and the healthy person will become sick. So, whenever we go out, we should put a mask to prevent ourselves from corona, and otherwise also from common cold or flu, influenza, etc. The infected person, he or she should put or keep the handkerchief in front of his or her nose or mouth. So these are some of the things which by applying these things, one can protect the healthy person from the infection. So, common examples of communicable diseases are cholera, common cold, chicken pox, and tuberculosis. And nowadays, you know that corona, that is also the communicable disease. Now, next thing, I will take up some of the diseases which are due to some carriers, like housefly. I will take up housefly sit on the garbage or the animal excreta. And pathogens, they stick to their bodies. So when this infected housefly, which has pathogens on its body, when it will sit on the uncovered food, and that food is taken by man, what will be the result? The result will be food poisoning, and the person will become sick. So, housefly is the carrier of certain disease, germs, or pathogens. In the same way, you say that the person that is suffering from malaria. Here the carrier is female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito, it is the carrier of malaria. And which protozoan? Plasmodium. That is the causative organism. Plasmodium vivax. Vivax. That is the causative organism. And here the carrier is female Anopheles mosquito. When it bites us, what will be the result? What will be the result? The plasmodium that will be injected in the body of healthy body, and then it will cause malaria. And second thing, female Aedes mosquito. It is the carrier of the dengue virus. So you can see that I have taken housefly, which sit on the garbage and the animal excreta and result in the food poisoning. So we shouldn't take the uncovered food. We should always cover our food, and also in the market also uncovered food shouldn't be taken. And how we can prevent ourselves from this malaria or dengue? There shouldn't be any stagnant water in coolers, in tanks, or you can say pots. There shouldn't be the stagnant water. They should be cleaned properly and regularly so that malaria or dengue that shouldn't be spread. So I have told you about the harmful microorganisms, what diseases they cause in humans. I will give you one table in which the disease causing germ and the diseases and the preventive measures they are given, and you will learn that table thoroughly. You will learn the table so that the causative organism that can be asked for certain disease, whether it is caused by the bacteria or the virus, okay, or any fungi. So these things you must remember. And now I will give you the table in just now, and you will learn that. I have told you about the disease causing microorganisms in humans. Now, here I will tell you about the disease causing microorganisms in animals. Microorganisms attack animals also. The common disease, that is the anthrax. Here, microorganisms cause disease both in humans as well as cattle. This disease is caused by the bacterium. So, this is the disease caused by bacteria. There is another disease, that is foot and mouth disease, which is caused by virus. So, two diseases I have told you in case of animals caused by microorganism. One is anthrax and another is foot and mouth disease. not only humans and animals, they have the harmful effect of these microorganisms. Even in case of plants, there are some disease-causing microorganisms which attack plants. So here, the plants like wheat, rice, sugarcane, apple, potato, and so many plants, they are attacked by these microorganisms. Both bacterium and virus diseases, they are there in case of these plants also. So what is the effect of this bacterium or virus, or you can say microorganisms, on the plants? One thing, that the grain that will be infected if some microorganism attack the plant. And another thing, that these diseases, they reduce the yield of the crops. And how they can be controlled? They can be controlled by spraying certain chemicals. So when these chemicals, they are sprayed on the plants, they will be prevented from the attack of the microorganisms. So here in this video, I have told you, I have discussed in detail about the harmful microorganisms. So till now, we have done the useful effects as well as the harmful effect of the microorganism. That is how these microorganisms, they act as friend and foe. In the next video, I will discuss about the topic food preservation. Till then, thank you very much.